What's up, guys? Welcome back. I hope you have a great day. Today we are going to talk about when will Apple announce the iPhone 15 series, which is the biggest event of the year. Unfortunately, I have a bad news. Apple is running into a manufacturing woe with the production of iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So, will the iPhone 15 launch be delayed? Let's talk about it in today's video. So, today's video is a follow-up to my previous video about all the leaked and rumored new features that will come to iPhone 15 series. It's a fantastic video chock full of features and gorgeous renderings, and it's currently gaining 10,000 views. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it in the card above, in the description below, and in the end screen. If you have watched that video, you know that the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will have slimmer bezels. In order to achieve slimmer bezels, Apple suppliers are using a new manufacturing process, but unfortunately it is causing problems with displays made by LG Display. According to the information, the LG displays are failing reliability tests during a process where the display is fused to the metal shell. And Apple is tweaking the design of the LG display so it can pass the tests. Therefore, Apple has two options here. Will Apple delay the announcement of iPhone 15 to October? Or will Apple stick to the September schedule but faced with severe shortages at launch? Okay, so traditionally, the iPhone event is usually held in September, but there's a few exceptions, one of which is the iPhone 12. So the iPhone 12 was hit with COVID-related delays. In 2020, Apple held two events, one in September and one in October. On September 15th, Apple announced the Apple Watch Series 6, the Apple Watch SE, the 4th generation iPad Air, and the 8th generation iPad. On October 13th, Apple announced the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max alongside the HomePod mini. Earlier reports suggested that this was the case, that the iPhone event would be held in October. However, the information thinks that Apple will still launch in September as expected, albeit there will be fewer units available at launch. So, when will we get the invitation to the event? We usually receive invitation around late August. To sum up, what we know so far is that there's a manufacturing issue that could lead to shortages or delay. But the latest info suggests that Apple is still on track to launch iPhone 15 in September, although it could be hit with shortages. However, the exact date currently only Apple knows. I will surely give you updates when I get new information, so please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the latest news, leaks, rumors, tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.